If you hear a loud chainsaw in the middle of nowhere, it could be a lyrebird. The lyrebird is a bird native to Australia and is best known for its ability to perfectly mimic almost any sound it hears, including car alarms, camera shutter, laser guns, and even a crying baby. Male lyrebirds primarily imitate sounds to attract potential mates, while female lyrebirds often mimic sounds to protect their young from predators. Additionally, they may use mimicry as a warning to keep other females out of their territory.